A home is a long-term investment, and how well it ages depends on the quality of its materials and the care taken during installation. For homeowners in Coppell, where seasonal weather changes and daily wear can take a toll on a property, proper door installation plays a bigger role than many realize. A well-installed door doesn't just function better, it helps your home maintain its comfort, appearance, and structural integrity over time. One of the most important ways proper door installation supports graceful aging is by preventing air leaks. When a door is not installed correctly, small gaps can form around the frame. These gaps allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. In Coppell, where summers can be hot and winters bring cooler temperatures, these leaks can lead to increased energy use and unnecessary strain on your HVAC system. A properly installed door creates a tight seal, helping your home stay efficient and comfortable year-round. Moisture control is another critical factor. Poor installation can allow water to seep in around the edges of a door, especially during heavy rain. Over time, this moisture can lead to issues such as wood rot, mold growth, or damage to surrounding materials. These problems not only affect the appearance of your home but can also lead to costly repairs. Professional installation ensures proper sealing and flashing, helping protect your home from water intrusion and preserving its structure. Alignment is equally important when it comes to long-term performance. A door that is not level or square may stick, sag, or fail to close properly. This can put stress on hinges, frames, and locking mechanisms, causing them to wear out more quickly. In contrast, a properly installed door operates smoothly and evenly, reducing wear and extending the lifespan of both the door and its components. This attention to detail helps your home maintain its functionality as it ages. Curb appeal is another area where proper door installation makes a difference. A misaligned or poorly fitted door can detract from your home's appearance, making it look worn or neglected. On the other hand, a door that is installed with precision enhances the overall look of your entryway. Clean lines, proper spacing, and smooth operation all contribute to a polished exterior that holds its appeal over time. In Coppell neighborhoods, where well-maintained homes stand out, this visual impact adds lasting value. Durability is also closely tied to installation quality. Even high-quality doors can fail prematurely if they are not installed correctly. Improper support or fastening can lead to shifting, warping, or damage over time. Professional installers ensure that the door is securely anchored and properly supported, allowing it to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. This long-term stability helps your home age more gracefully without frequent repairs. Security is another important consideration. A door that is not installed correctly may not close or lock securely, leaving your home more vulnerable. Proper installation ensures that locks align correctly and that the door fits tightly within the frame. This creates a stronger barrier against unwanted entry and provides peace of mind for homeowners. Energy efficiency, moisture protection, and structural integrity all work together to support a home's long-term performance. When doors are installed properly, they contribute to a more stable indoor environment, reducing the impact of external conditions. This consistency helps preserve other parts of your home, from flooring to wall finishes, by minimizing exposure to drafts and moisture. Maintenance is also reduced when doors are installed correctly. A well-fitted door is less likely to develop issues that require frequent adjustments or repairs. This means homeowners can spend less time addressing problems and more time enjoying their space. Over the years, this reduced maintenance contributes to a home that continues to look and function at a high level. Finally, proper door installation reflects a commitment to quality. It shows that attention has been paid not just to the product itself, but to how it integrates with the rest of the home. This level of care is what allows a property to maintain its value and appeal over time. In the end, Proper door installation helps Coppell homes age more gracefully by ensuring durability, efficiency, and long-term performance. From preventing air and water leaks to maintaining security and curb appeal, a professionally installed door is a small detail that makes a big difference. For homeowners looking to protect their investment and enjoy lasting comfort, it's a step that truly pays off.